Hey everyone, today I'm diving into why turmeric is hailed as the ultimate superfood for your health. Turmeric, or Curcuma longa, is not just a vibrant yellow spice that adds flavor to your curry. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, curcumin. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric that gives it those potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. According to research, these properties can play a huge role in reducing inflammation. Why is that important? Chronic inflammation is linked to a slew of diseases, from heart disease and cancer to arthritis. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine found that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced markers of inflammation in patients with osteoarthritis. That's pretty impressive, right? But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric also supports brain health. A study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry suggests that curcumin can enhance memory and mood in older adults. Its antioxidant properties protect brain cells from damage and might even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Imagine that, a simple spice supporting your brain health as you age. And let's not forget about the culinary magic of turmeric. Beyond its medicinal properties, turmeric brings depth and flavor to dishes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. From curries and teas to smoothies and soups, the possibilities are endless. However, there's a little trick to get the most out of turmeric. The bioavailability of curcumin, or how well your body absorbs it, is quite low on its own. But add a dash of black pepper, which contains piperine, and boom, absorption is significantly enhanced. So next time you sprinkle turmeric on your food, don't forget the black pepper. Whether you enjoy turmeric in your food, sip it as tea, or take it as a supplement, this golden spice has captured the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. As research continues, it's becoming increasingly clear that turmeric is more than just a spice. It's a key player in promoting overall health and well-being. So, if you haven't yet embraced turmeric, now's the time to start. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy. Catch you in the next video.